In lung cancer, as well as other cancers, including melanoma, bladder cancer, head and neck cancers, targeting PD-1 or PD-L1 has proven very successful at not only producing responses in patients, but the most durable responses we've seen in patients with a new innovation therapy in a very long time. I think that the evidence now suggests that immune therapy has reached an age where it's incontrovertible that it is now an effective therapy. The question is, how do we integrate it into existing therapies, and how do we improve the responses and benefits that we've seen in a population of patients, but by no means all. PD-L1 would be upregulated in tumor cells or immune cells in response to an ongoing immune response. So it's indicative of the first important aspect of immune therapy is that there is an immune milieu, an immune response population of cells that can actually affect a clinical response. PD-L1 expression inactivates T cells, prevents them from mounting an immune response, and drugs that block PD-1 L1 expression or block the PD-1 recognition of this have actually shown to be quite successful. And in studies across several different tumor types, the greater the degree of expression, the greater the likelihood of benefit, the greater the duration of benefit for patients who have high expression. So I think that in many respects this has become recognized that this is the patient population who's most served by this therapy at present. Mature studies will be longer. The combination of PD-L1 drugs with existing, what we call standard of care drugs, these trials are already beginning to be completed and should be available for us within the next year. The trials of other immune adjuvants, these trials will take longer, but the first reports of biological activity should be available this year.